Top 5 programming languages for beginners, pros and cons. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you're thinking about learning to code, huh? It's like entering a whole new dimension, except instead of alternate realities, it's just lines of text that somehow make your computer do cool stuff. But where do you even begin? Well, you're in luck because today we're breaking down the top 5 programming languages for all you aspiring code wizards. Whether you're dreaming of building the next viral app, automating your entire house with a few lines of code, or just want to finally understand what your developer friends are talking about, these languages are the perfect launchpad. We'll be diving deep into each language, exploring their strengths, weaknesses, and what they're best used for. Consider this your crash course in choosing the right language to kickstart your coding journey. Let's get to it. First up, we've got Python. If programming languages were tools, Python would be that trusty Swiss Army knife everyone wants. It's known for its clean, straightforward syntax, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. Reading Python code is almost like reading plain English. Learning your first programming language is like learning your first real language. You'd want something simple, easy to grasp, and versatile. That's Python in a nutshell. Python is used in web development, data science, machine learning, and AI. There's a massive community of Python developers ready to help you. Plus, there's a ton of resources available online. Tutorials, documentation, you name it. Now, no language is perfect, and Python does have its quirks. But for most beginners, Python's pros far outweigh its cons, making it a fantastic first step into the world of coding. Next up, we're talking JavaScript, the undisputed king of the web. If Python is the Swiss Army knife, JavaScript is the magic wand that brings websites to life. Ever visited a website with interactive maps, animated graphics, or those cool scrolling effects? That's JavaScript working its magic. It's what turns static web pages into dynamic, engaging experiences. HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the styling, and JavaScript is the brain that makes it all come together. And the best part? JavaScript runs directly in your web browser. You can start experimenting with JavaScript right now, just by opening up your browser's developer console. Once you wrap your head around its quirks, you'll unlock a world of possibilities for web development. With technologies like Node.js, you can use JavaScript to build server-side applications, desktop apps, and even mobile apps. So if you're even remotely interested in web development, JavaScript is a must-learn. Chapter 3. Java, the reliable old friend. Next up we have Java, the veteran of the group. This language has been around for decades, and it's still going strong. Think of Java as that reliable old friend who's always there when you need them, even if they can be a bit verbose at times. Java is known for its write once, run anywhere philosophy. This means you can write Java code on one platform, say Windows, and run it on any other platform that supports Java like macOS or Linux without having to make any changes. It's like having a universal translator for your code. This portability, combined with its stability and scalability, has made Java a favorite for building enterprise-level applications, Android apps, and even those big data processing systems everyone's talking about. Now, Java does have a steeper learning curve compared to Python or JavaScript. Its syntax is more complex, and there's a lot of boilerplate code you need to write, which can feel a bit tedious at times. But hey, good things come to those who put in the effort, right? And once you master Java, you'll have a solid foundation in object-oriented programming, a powerful paradigm that's used in many other popular languages. So, while it might take a bit more effort up front, learning Java can pay off big time in the long run. Chapter 4. Ruby, Coding with Elegance. Now let's talk Ruby, the language that's all about elegance and developer happiness. If Python is about simplicity, Ruby takes it a step further, focusing on writing code that's not just functional, but also a joy to read and write. Imagine writing code that reads like poetry. That's the kind of experience Ruby aims to provide. Its syntax is designed to be natural and intuitive, allowing you to express complex ideas with fewer lines of code. Ruby is often praised for its focus on developer productivity and its thriving community. The Ruby on Rails framework, in particular, has gained immense popularity for its ability to build web applications quickly and efficiently. Think of it as having a pre-built toolkit for creating web apps, saving you time and effort. It's like having a team of expert builders helping you construct your dream digital home. Now, Ruby might not be as widely used as some of the other languages on this list, but its influence is undeniable. And with its focus on developer happiness and productivity, it's definitely a language worth exploring. Chapter 5. Swift, the language of iPhones and more. Last but not least, we have Swift, the new kid on the block that's taking the iOS development world by storm. If you've ever dreamt of building your own iPhone apps, Swift is the language for you. Developed by Apple, Swift was designed to be fast, safe, and easy to learn. It's like the sleek, modern apartment building in the heart of the city, efficient, stylish, and built for the future. Swift is known for its clean syntax, which is similar to Python in its readability, and its focus on safety. It helps you catch errors early on, preventing those frustrating bugs that can make coding feel like a never-ending puzzle. Plus, Swift is designed to work seamlessly with Apple's development tools, making the process of building iOS apps smoother and more enjoyable. While Swift is primarily associated with iOS app development, it's also gaining traction in other areas, such as web development and server-side programming. So learning Swift not only opens doors to the exciting world of iPhone apps, but also equips you with a versatile skill set for the future. Choose your coding adventure, and there you have it, folks. The top 5 programming languages for beginners. We've covered a lot of ground today, from Python's versatility to JavaScript's web wizardry, Java's reliability, Ruby's elegance, and Swift's sleekness. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best one for you ultimately depends on your interests and goals. Want to dive into data science and AI? Python's your go-to. Dreaming of building interactive websites? JavaScript's got you covered. Eager to create your own iPhone apps? Swift's your best bet. The most important thing is to just start coding. Pick a language that resonates with you, dive into the tutorials, build some cool projects, and don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you truly learn and grow as a coder. So, which language are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, happy coding.